Hi, this is Chef Inspire. I'm here today to talk to you about a new series that I'm starting, Food as Medicine. And what I'm going to be doing is giving you combinations of different foods. If you put those foods together and eat them on a regular basis, you will receive healing in your body. Now, I am going to break it down, give you the ingredients, and then try it and see that you don't experience healing in your body. Here we go. This is the first one. Natural Viagra. You heard me, guys. Natural Viagra. Here is the recipe. You take 1 pound of seedless watermelon, 1 juice of a lemon, 1 juice of a lime, and you put these ingredients in a blender and blend them to make a smoothie. You drink half of this mixture in the morning and half of this mixture at night before you go to bed. Do this on a regular basis. What will happen is natural medicine takes a little bit longer to take effect in your body. But after it starts to take effect, the effect of it is more potent and long lasting and less damaging to your body. Did you know if you're taking different male enhancements, those things can damage your body like you wouldn't believe? Your blood vessels, they can damage your eyes, they can damage all different types of your body. But if you learn to take these simple ingredients, put them together, drink them on a regular basis for 15 days, you will start to see tremendous growth. Tremendous growth in these areas. Let's break it down again. Take 1 pound of seedless watermelon, 1 juice of a lemon, 1 juice of a lime, blend it together, make a smoothie, drink half in the morning, drink half at night before you go to bed for 15 days straight. Watch and see what happens. Now, the leading cause of death in America is medical treatment. It is actually pharmaceutical drugs that they give you on a regular basis that take you out. And Viagra is no different. The side effects of this stuff is tremendous. It will kill you. Try this natural remedy, guys. And ladies, guess what? You don't even have to tell the guy why you're giving him this smoothie every day. But you'll know. This is Chef Inspire. I hope you get it. I hope you got it. Good. Have a blessed day.